Hello everybody. Had a guy request a video on the 72 through 78, I think it is, Dodge trucks. He's looking for fenders and doors. That is a truck I call the bird bath hood truck. And the reason they're called a bird bath hood is you can kind of see the water line here right now where the water has been standing in this hood right here. And that's why they call them the bird bath hood. Water stands in them, the birds get up there and they drink out of them. But what we're doing right now is looking for fenders and doors, and all of them I have, I believe, are going to have some damage on them. It's hard to find these that's perfect, and I don't think they are actually making these, reproducing these fenders and doors, or at least not yet anyway, I don't think. However, this fender looks pretty decent, other than it does have a bent spot right there. And somebody's put an antenna on this thing way up from the cab. I don't know why they'd put the antenna way up here and on this side, but they have. The door, we like most of them, it's got a little rust right there in the bottom of it. But other than that, that door looks pretty decent. This one was a 1-ton dual wheel truck. One of the wheels are missing off the back. Let's check out this side. This fender is bent in right there some, which, like I said, might be able to straighten out like the other side. And this door has been replaced, but somebody's put a door on it that's been opened up into the fender evidently, and they've tried to straighten it back out enough to make it work and did not do a real good body job on that. Like I said, it is a dual wheel truck, which the doors and fenders and hoods and stuff are the same on the 1/2 ton, 3/4 ton, and 1 ton on these trucks. But that is the first one. Now let's go up here and take a look at another one. We'll just cut through this way. I've got lots more of these trucks here than I do the bird bath hoods. And I think they started making those in 79. Let's just look right here. There's another bird bath hood truck sitting right up here. Maybe it might have a little better fenders and doors, but like I said, they're going to be hard to find that don't have some kind of rust or dents on them just because of the age of them. Door's already missing. Fender is bent some right there in the front. The back of the fender looks good. It's hit on this side. It's going to make junk out of that fender. Let's check this door out. That door looks to be in pretty doggone good shape. Other than somebody's drilled holes to put different style mirrors on it. Factory mirrors went right there. But that is going to be a usable door right there. We'll have to go over here across the road to look at some more of these trucks. Might as well just let you guys walk with me on the way over there. Might see something you like here amongst some of these other vehicles sitting out here. Now I'm going to stop right up here and turn and just give you a view around this way. There's vehicles. And then even in those woods over there's vehicles all back through there and across the road where we're going here. Try to keep a lot of my older trucks kind of grouped up and rolled up together. It gets hard sometimes where you get your rows built and then more come in. You have nowhere to put them. There's another 79 up Dodge truck. That's a little short wheelbase. Just trying to give you this little pan around view as we're walking. I do have, I think, 3 more of these bird bath hood trucks across the road over here. And guys, I'm going to try tomorrow to do a startup video on this Lincoln right here. Got a guy that's interested in hearing it run. I bought it here a while back, did you guys a video bringing it in, told you when I got to it I'd do a startup video. So hopefully that video is going to happen tomorrow, and I will post it on here for you guys. I love them, these old vehicles. Vehicles they make today are just not for me. I'll take this old stuff anytime. And like most salvage yards, all they want is newer model stuff. Well, I'm just the opposite. I'd rather have this old stuff anytime. Old Broncos. We'll go over here across the road. Of course, we're coming up in front of the garage right now. We'll go over here across the road where these other Dodge trucks are at and just check the condition of the hoods and doors on them. Now, I've not personally checked into new doors and fenders myself, but the guy I'm doing the video for said there was unavailable. So let's just go on over here and see what we can find. We're going through the gate. Lots and lots of trucks lined up in rows over here. And this row right here starts out with these Chevy trucks. Now I've got lots more Chevy trucks than what's in this row here. These were just rows that started getting lined up years ago. And I finished the rows out, and then trucks have came in over the years, so they didn't make it over here. But I do have lots and lots more of these Chevrolet trucks as well. Here we kind of get into the little older Chevy trucks, the 67 through 72s. And there is a Dodge truck like we're looking for up on top right over here. Let's just check it while we're here. Looks like a decent door from here. Front clip is gone. It's got a dent in it right there, but other than that, here it looks pretty decent. This was an old four-wheel drive truck. A little speck of rust starting right there, but other than lots of holes where the mirrors had been on it. Let's see what the other side looks like. Oh yeah, that door's completely caved in. So that's not going to do us any good. Let's go back over here where we was at and going down and look at the others. That door there was definitely fixable and usable. There is two more down here. Lots of them old 67 through 72 Chevy trucks lined up down through here. Rows of Ford trucks up here. And then we started into the Dodges again. But these are like the 79 up, so can't use anything off of them. That one's even a little newer. Right here is what we're looking for. Door's gone. Fender's got a little rust right in the bottom corner. Like I said, most of them are gonna have, just because of the age on them. Fender over here. I'm gonna cut these trees off away from it before they bend it in. But it's got just a little rust starting in the bottom of it as well. But I don't know how good of a fenders and doors he's expecting to find. There's one more right down here, style we're looking for. And it is right here. It has been rusty on the bottom pretty bad. The door's already missing. This fender here is bent in the front and been rusted and patched on the bottom, and the whole corner is eat off the door. And the door is eat up back here as well. So I don't know if any of these will be suitable for you that's on the video, but I told you I'd do the video of it, so here's the video. I'll come back, do you guys another video really soon. I got them cutting out trees out from around this duster right here right now. I'm gonna do a video on it tomorrow. I've got a guy interested in that duster. But like I say, I'll come back, do you guys another video real soon. Hope everybody's having a sensational day.